What are you going to play today? I'm going to play a PC building simulator, man. Yeah, you're welcome to come play it with me, bro. What's up, Robo? How you doing, bro? What's good, my guy? That's right. But yeah, we're just going to get started. If you guys want to know any questions or anything as we go, just let me know and I got you. I'm going to just trigger everyone as much as I can for this build. What else we got in here? Don't need no SATA cables. We're good. Gonna need them for my NVMe. And I have no idea what the fuck. Oh, it's a little badge. Anyone want a little badge? Unboxing. We're now just an unboxing reviewing channel, guys. Yo, great start when you can't undo some sellotape. We love this. We love to see it. What should we start with, guys? I might start with the M.2 just because I'm vibing. Let's do that. But yeah, what specs you gone for? So we are using an i9-10900K KF because I don't need the graphics. 32 gigabytes of 3200 speed because that's what it seems to support. A Samsung 1TB M.2, a 2080 Super on a MSI Tomahawk Z490 motherboard inside of a H510 Elite case with a Kraken X63 cooler and a 860 watt platinum power supply. So yeah, that should be it. Like, my knife is blunt, so I have an idea, guys. I'm just gonna trigger the entire chat right now. And then we are the warranty. Guys, pro tip, you're installing this, make sure you remove this sticker because the thermal pad on the back of here, which you, fuck. Just breaking stuff, man. What about you? You like now? Yeah. Say hello.
Hi.
We're gonna do processor next. We'll do that. Do processor, yeah, gang. I hate buying non-retail chips. They come in these ugly ass boxes, like, but you save like £50 and you get 1 year less warranty. So pop this big boy out. Lovely. Everyone fucking leave, yo, chat. So everyone leaves these plastic things on the top until they like install the thing. I have no idea why they do it. So I put it in this way, right? Like down like this. Like that. I just drop it, right? We're just going this way. Place your CPU in nicely, guys, so you don't break anything. And then fucking don't forget thermal paste. I was gonna spit on it. Is that okay? Right, cool. Bang! Up goes the weasel. Now the one goes in the slots on your right. Oh! Wait, so this goes in here, right? Wait, hold up. Finger everything. Okay, guys. That sounded so bad. Oh my. I've forgotten what slots it goes in. Chat, can someone tell me? Is it 1 and 3? Or is it 3 and 4? I can't remember for shit. Honestly, I can't remember. Oh, it says first on it. Oh, yeah, we should have just read. It's 2 and 4. It's 2 and 4. It literally says on the thing. Well, I need to open these. What am I doing? Lovely job. Put that in there. Even pressure. There we go. Lovely. Look at that. Should be easy. Boom. Boom. Hey. Dab on them. Whoa. If you put your cooler on before you put in the everything in the case, you just put. How you doing? Yo. Thank you for the 5 gifted. You want me to get naked? Love you. Thank you so much, man. Holy shit. I just look up. I haven't got no ears on. Like, so I didn't hear. And I was like, Jim, what case did you get? I'm using my old case. I can afford a new case, all right? Stop bullying me. Why do they do this? Yo, this is 2021 and they still have these separated. Like, do you know how awkward this is to push these together yourself? Right? Like, if you have your fan going in, like, towards the top of the PC, you're just weird, bro. There is a designated hole at the bottom of your PC. Stop being weird. You're not different. You're not quirky. You're not cool. All right? Just stop it. We get it to sit somewhere just really awkwardly, like that. Let it down on top. Beautiful, professional, wonderful. We're done. Bang. Get all these tightened down so we get this thing out of the way eventually, finally. Guys, I'm just gonna... You're not gonna be able to see much for a second while I get this up.
As well, I'm just so excited, man. So excited to finally have a working PC.
Anything then. Yeah, right. Let's see how many things we can bang on the way down. That's the game plan, right? Ow! Actually, I might take this top fan out for the meantime. Jarvis. Wow. Why is it going so quick right now? I'm kind of scared for some reason. It's because we just removed that fan. No, we just don't talk about this. I'll be right back, guys. Won't be a sec. I'm gonna get a Red Bull, get a wipe so we can clean that off, and then we'll be good. All right, perfect. Hello, my friends. My bikini is on. Right, we got the necessities, guys. We got wipes. We got Red Bull. Coolant, right? It's The Walking Dead. Walking Dead? Huh? Ugh. Stock thermal paste can suck my balls. It's kind of saucy. Kind of matches my colours though, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, I hate thermal paste with a passion, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. I wish you could hear this. Wait. Just therapeutic. How to professionally do everything. Damn. Lovely, wonderful. Get out of the way. Yeah, this is so simple with a spreader though, I'm not gonna lie. Makes life easy. Connect all cables before turning on. I don't know about that one. Oh, I don't know. Boom. And then we pray. I pray to make it back in one piece. I prayed. And that's why I want this. Gotta see my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. My issue here is space. This case has no space and it has enough space for one. Like, I don't think I'm gonna have any chance without taking this shroud off, which we might have to just do. We might have to just take the shroud off around the edge of the case. Hey chat, what do we think? Just wanted to snap off instead. We have so much more room for activities. Woo! Got the 4. Wait, this is a 6-pin. I don't want a 6-pin connector. There's 24-pin in there. It's already molded, so it makes my life so much easier. Are we happy? We happy? Should we just go graphics card, guys? Should we just bang this in? Happy days. Just bang this bad boy in. Hey. Oh, that's not open. Not open. There we go. Can we get that little click? There was no click. Oh, I'm sad. I just want to click. Okay? Beautiful. You know what we can do? We can just get them in there. Go. Go. It's all good. All right, that's in there. We'll just pretend that's done. Once the back goes on. H510 Elite. Yeah, of course. This GPU has the pinouts the other way around, which means that my old cables that are currently curved around like this way have to now be inverted. I am so sad right now. Oh, this hurts. Understandably, like, this isn't the best cable management on the back, but I can show you how to fix that. Brand new PC. Built and together. -1 fan and Windows. And now I get to find out if it boots, basically. Bring microphone down. Well, I feel like I wasn't meant to remove that part. I don't know, it's off now. Here we go. We're done. 2 hours whilst talking to you fuckers as well. Everything. These windows.